Guys, thank you for watching. This is a 2005 Nissan Xtrail. I'm gonna show you we get out the bearings without taking out this, because if this bolt is seized, very bad, you can't get those out. You have two options. You take down from the up there the two arm and press the bearings, but I take out the bearings, guys, without even moving that because I don't want to damage anything. So this is the tool I use. You guys get yourself one of these tools. It's a bearings press. You just put it in the back, and then the bearings, you gotta heat it up. You gotta put a little heat to it too, guys. You put this back in place in the back, the cup, and then you put this down, and then the other side you put the nut, and then you could use your socket, whatever socket you use for that one, and then the backup. But you make sure put on the washer too, because you have a washer, guys. It comes with a washer. It's easier to not to spin with the washer. Not see the washer now, but you know what I mean. I take out the clip because the bearings come this side up, and yeah, the washers are over there. So you see those washer, guys? Make sure you put that on. It's gonna be hard to spin. So get your tool, guys. If you want the tool, I'll leave it in the description for you. And yeah, so I try a lot of things, guys. You can see a lot of bullshit, a lot of thing everywhere, but that's what works for me. And this bolt is a 22. But guys, how it stuck so bad? Like when I put it can't move. I have to use this to move bring that up and down. See? So that's how I get out the bearings. I didn't have to move the brake, guys, and you clean that with a nice piece of sandpaper or whatever you have, and then you put the grease inside. Yeah, guys, the bearings out without taking down all that stuff, but it's kind of hard still because it comes from the other way. And you clean this up very nicely, guys, and the groove, because you want it to slide, put some grease it nicely, and then you put the bearings and you start pressing them back with your tool. So guys, that's all you can see. I tried a lot of things: impact, hammer, this W40 jack, and this bolt just stuck, guys. It's so stuck so bad. Oh yeah, it's moving now. Stuck so bad, guys, in this here. And you don't want to put heat because you damage the joint. So I didn't move the handbrakes. I just moved the speed sensor and move the axle side. And don't pull it out too much, guys. You pull it out there, it's not gonna be good. So that's about it, guys. So guys, if you're new to the channel, oh my, it's hard. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and yeah, clean your journal very nice. And guys, it's a 2005 Xtrail. You can move the wheel bearings without the wheel off. Just get yourself the bearings press tool. They normally use this on BMW, but this is not BMW, so it works here too. It's your bearings out, and guys, you gotta put a little bit of heat around. So heat it while you impact it, and you have to impact it, guys. It won't move. So I use my trusty dual impact. Yeah, put some heat, keep it pressing nicely, and then it will come on, guys. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I put my caliper up here, nicely secure, won't move. And yeah, so guys, that's about it. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. I'm out. 2005 Nissan Xtrail, bearings out without the wheel out. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm out.